Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial accessory for anyone using the SNBC BTP-L580 thermal desktop label maker printer, the Jantoy AC-DC adapter. This isn't just any power supply. It's manufactured with high-quality materials, designed to be a reliable workhorse for your label printing needs. What truly sets this adapter apart are its robust, built-in protection features. We're talking about safeguards against overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits. This provides immense peace of mind, knowing that your valuable SNBC BTP-L580 printer is shielded from unexpected power fluctuations and potential damage. The compact design of this adapter makes it incredibly convenient and portable, whether you're setting up your printer in a dedicated workspace or need to move it around your home or office. Furthermore, its low power consumption is a thoughtful touch, contributing to energy efficiency without compromising performance. The manufacturer has rigorously tested this adapter to ensure both safety and durability, giving users confidence in its long-term reliability. Now, a crucial piece of advice for anyone using this, or indeed any power adapter. Always, and this cannot be stressed enough, always choose the correct voltage before plugging it into your device. Many small household appliances, including some printers, don't have internal circuit protection, and supplying the wrong voltage can lead to irreversible damage. This Jantoy adapter is engineered to deliver precise power, but user vigilance in selecting the right voltage is paramount. The manufacturer also wisely recommends using less than 80% of the adapter's full load to ensure optimal performance and extend its lifespan. To keep your adapter functioning perfectly, a simple but effective tip is to regularly clean its charging port. Over time, plugs can accumulate dust and grime, which might lead to poor contact or even prevent the adapter from working efficiently. It's also important to treat the adapter with care. Avoid dropping it from heights, throwing, knocking, or shaking it. Extreme high or low temperatures can significantly shorten the life of electronic equipment and damage internal circuit boards. This adapter is designed for indoor use, and avoiding overload will ensure it serves you reliably for many years to come. The fact that it meets CE specifications further reinforces its commitment to quality and safety standards. So, if you're in search of a dependable, safe, and efficient power solution for your SNBC BTP-L580 printer, the Jantoy AC-DC adapter stands out as an excellent choice. It's meticulously designed to protect your device and provide consistent, stable power, making your label printing experience as smooth and worry-free as possible.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.